About the time I got the camera out, they calmed down.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You do not want to do that. You do not want to do that.
Hail!
I can get both of you at the same time. I can get both of you. Huh? Good, Sissy. You sitting there reading the book in the middle of it?
Sissy, do you have one of my books? Yep. Oh, she has Poppy's book, actually.
Ow! Bonked my head. You bonked my head. You bonked my head.
You know what get hurt with me.
Me? Oh. Don't get sissy. Don't get sissy. Huh? You're right there in the middle of it, aren't you? Ah.
That's what Ben does. Ben jumps on your back when you're... And then Sissy kicks. 3 against 1, it's a pretty...